Hello, this is one of a series of tutorial videos on Google Sheets. And what we're going to look at is some of the different formatting options you have available to you. Now, one of the things you need to realize is that this whole formatting, all these formatting tools here are also available under this tab. Um, I kind of like to use the toolbar here. You'll find everything here. Now, one of the things I tend to do almost automatically is I tend to want to center everything. It just makes everything look a little better, in my opinion. So I'm going to select the whole sheet here, and I'm going to do that by clicking in this corner, and that highlights everything. It selects everything. And I'm going to go over to alignment, and I'm just going to choose center. So that way everything is now centered. Now, you notice these names here. Many of the names are not showing up all the way. So I can either change the size of this by stretching it out here, but I'd rather go ahead and resize the column here. I don't want to take up too much space. I want to fit the column to the data. So I'm going to click in this here, and I got that from the little drop down formatting box right next to the A in the column there. And I want to set it to fit to data. So I'm going to click OK. And you see this automatically got bigger and change that size. Now with the date, this is these are fine. That works. But I maybe want to change the format of the date, the way it's showing up. So I'm going to go over here to this little drop down for more formats. And I'm going to go down to this one. I've already selected one. I went down to more formats all the way at the bottom of this drop down. And I kind of like the way these formats, this date looks. Another thing is here we have a very typical problem in spreadsheets where you're typing and you have more information than what will fit in the cell. So it kind of just goes over the side. So I'm going to fix that automatically as well. I'm going to go over here to text wrapping. This is on the toolbar here, and it's right next to vertical align, text wrapping, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to choose this center one. That's wrap. So we'll choose that, and you see what happens is that creates a second line for the text. It makes the cell bigger vertically, and everything fits in. So there's just some of the ways to do some formatting to really clean up those spreadsheets and make it a little easier.